In this video, I'll be explaining affiliate programs and how they can help you make extra money with your side business, or even if you're just sharing items between family and friends. So stay tuned. Have you heard about the latest craze that has been sweeping the influencer nation over the past 2 years? Maybe it's not that recent, but I'm here today to talk to you about what's called affiliate programs and explain how they work. So stay tuned. So right out of the gate, I'm going to be using the Amazon affiliate program for most of my examples on how affiliate programs work, because I am actually already an Amazon affiliate. I'm not a good one. I have sold nothing to date, and this is the weekend because I record all of my videos on the weekend. But as of yet, I have sold no products, but I want to use that as the example on how affiliate programs work, because they're all very similar from what I've discerned. My sources tell me that they're all very similar. But the main things that I want to point out is really just how they work, how you might be using them and not already know it, and what benefit that it can provide to your favorite content creators, whether they're on Instagram, Pinterest, anything like that, by clicking on links and buying products that your favorite content creator sends you. All that to say, affiliate programs are a way for content creators to receive support and money from businesses without having to be pushy. It's not being used car salesman or anything like that. It's not making you feel like you have to make a purchase or anything like that. The way affiliate programs work are that content creators will go to the affiliate program website. So in this case, Amazon's affiliate program website. You'll apply to become an affiliate. And by doing that, you're agreeing to, obviously not abuse power. I'm reminded of a very famous quote, and one of my favorites: with great power comes great responsibility. And if you know where that's from, put that in the comments below. All jokes aside, it's as easy as going to a web page for a company that you're interested in and applying and meeting their requirements, making sure your content meets certain thresholds, making sure you have a certain number of followers, and generally you are admitted to that program. That content creator will then go to that company's web page that is for the affiliate program. If they're using a product, like you might see in an upcoming video on Friday about spray paint, they might go to that web page and put in that particular URL for that project that they've used or that product that they've used, and that web page will give them a custom link that they can then put in their video descriptions. Now, the advantage to this is that, let's say that you, devoted viewer, click on the link that I put into a video. If you click on that link, you'll be taken to that Amazon webpage to look at that product that I've used. If you then decide to purchase that product, I will get a portion of the sales. Now, this is where it really becomes an advantage and an incentive for content creators to be doing this with their products. Because if you make a purchase, that means that your content creator gets a portion of those proceeds. When the affiliate program makes that link for your content creator, they're able to embed that content creator's ID into that code so that they know when they receive a customer or an order from a specific content creator's referral. So all that to say, to you, the devoted viewer, it's no additional cost to use that link. But for the content creator, they actually will receive a portion of money from the seller of that good for marketing their services. Just like marketing would receive any sort of leads or anything like that for a particular good or service. Something very important I want to mention is that while you, the devoted viewer, do not receive any additional charges for using that link, it is your responsibility to shop around and make sure that you are receiving the best deal for a product. Just to let you know, I'm the kind of guy that goes to Taco Bell and buys cheesy bean and rice burritos because they're roughly 20 cents cheaper than regular bean burritos. Like, I'm an engineer, I have that kind of mind, I crunch those numbers, and I would suggest that you, devoted viewer, do the same thing. Price check, make sure that you're getting the best deal. If you want to support content and you want your life to be simple, you're more than welcome to click on your favorite content creators' links, but you have to understand that while you might be supporting their channel and their efforts, you might not necessarily be getting the best deal. So just keep that in the back of your mind when you're buying a product. If you want to spend the time to shop around and make sure that you're getting the best deal, you would be advised to do so. For anyone, that's a good suggestion. So to let you know how I'll be using affiliate links going forward with this channel, whenever you see a DIY how-to video, I'm going to embed in the description of that video a link to the product that I used, assuming that that's a product that I would recommend you using. I'm not going to be spamming it with products that I've never used before or anything like that. I'm only going to refer products that I know I've had success with. But if you want to support the channel, a great way to do that would be to follow that link and buy that product if that is something that you're interested in doing. And what I'll do is I'll include here somewhere on the screen, as I show you my red pen, but I will show you somewhere on the screen the current commission rates that Amazon pays for certain products, so that you just have a feel for it. I can see an application of this if you're not currently running a business or anything like that. Even if you're just an individual that has family and friends like most people do, and you do some work on some projects on the side, and maybe you have family and friends that are always asking you, hey, where did you get X? Where did you get Y? Where did you get that nice shirt that you were wearing? Where did you get that nice paint that you were using? You can actually become an Amazon affiliate, create those links, and then send those links to your friends and family at no additional cost to them, but with a little added income for yourself. So that's something to consider. I would definitely suggest looking into it, and keep in mind that it's not just Amazon that has affiliate programs. Other companies have affiliate programs as well. One last tip before we close out this video, I want to make the point to say that companies have the right to adjust their commission structure on the affiliate marketing programs whenever they want to. So recently this year, Amazon actually tweaked theirs some and then tweaked it back, but they have the ability to do that. So this is a good passive income strategy. It's probably not something that you should be quitting your day job to rely on. I would not suggest relying on affiliate programs for your full-time income. Some people might be able to do that. I can't do that. I wouldn't do that, so no. Just once again, it's something to look into and understand thoroughly. I'm putting a link down below to the Amazon affiliate webpage. If you want some more information, feel free to check that out and learn more about it. And as always, devoted viewers, thank you for tuning in. If you want to subscribe, like, or comment to anything on this channel, please feel free to do so. I would encourage you to do so. It's free to you, and I'm all about free. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk again soon.